Okay, it's Thursday, January 17th. As I'm looking over here towards the southwest now, you can see right there is one of the object moving within the cloud. Actually, not within it. Well, you could say that, creating it. As I've been saying all along, you can see the most definite outline of its shape right there. The lines going across it. But these things are happening everywhere. They've been happening. That object is that I was already pointing out that all this is forming off of, as I said earlier. You're watching it happen right there. About how these objects are moving somehow or another, creating these things. I've said many times, I don't know how else to describe it, supernaturally. I mean, how else can you explain something like this that you're seeing right here? And this is just one side of the sky, or one part. Unbelievable. As all this stuff always is and has been for quite a while. And that's in addition to this over here that I was already showing. This is much, much, much more about a lot of other things than just a planet or an object or even several objects. This entails much, much more than just something like that. As it's all happening, you see all that going all the way back over here, by the way, along with this over here. I'll try to show you again as these trails go shooting upward, straight up. Okay, so now this is later on, right near sunset, and you guys can see how all this is developed since what I was showing earlier in the video. And they look right up here, if I can find them. There's a chemtrail plane trying to fly a trail which is being completely swallowed up by these massive system clouds and trails. I mean, just look at this. And this, of course, is over in the southwest where the sun is about to set. Look at how this is pushing its way to the left right here. There's an object right there. Very obvious. And I've seen this happen before, and it's going to continue to push its way this way, as you can see this doing. Pushing it at an angle, like in a triangular fashion right there. Okay, this is in the northwest right here. That's the north. Going across the west Stunning. Oh, and do I need to be saying in this video that none of this is chemtrails? Do I need to be saying that? If so, I just said it, all right? And I think that should be pretty obvious. I mean, can you believe this? Like I was saying earlier in the video, there's a lot more to everything that's going on than some planet or planets or objects, whatever. Much more. It involves much more. Look, now again, amongst all this, now he comes out and flies a chemtrail right there for the same reason as always. Just for anyone that happens to be paying attention or notices any of this, wants them, you guys or whoever, to think that all this is somehow a bunch of chemtrails. I mean, are you kidding me? What a joke. What an absolute ridiculous joke. I mean, why even bother? Seriously. Why even do it? Okay, now it's getting close to sunset right now. And of course, I'm shocked as ever. Let me pan around here and show the rest of everything. Back over here in the north. Look how huge that thing is. Oh man.